students, hope you are enjoying my digital lecture. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is number patterns. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize a given increasing or decreasing pattern by stating a pattern rule. Then, you are going to complete the given increasing and decreasing number pattern or sequence. Describe the pattern found in a given table or chart. Let's observe this pattern and write the next term by stating the rule as well. The numbers are 680, 660, 640, 620, and you can see the empty two lines over here. So we are going to find out the next two terms of the sequence. For that, I need to observe this sequence or this pattern very carefully. You can see that the first term here is 680 and the next term is 660. So the first term is greater than the second term. Now we will take the difference of these two consecutive terms. So I will take the first two terms. 680 minus 660 is 20. This means that you can see that the next term is decreasing, means this is getting smaller. So from that thing I got it that because this is decreasing means we will subtract minus 20 from the next term. Let's do it to check whether we are right or not. So, by checking it that whether we are right or not, we are going to check the next term. 660 में से 20 subtract करने से हमारे पास जो आंसर आया वो आया 640. So, इससे ये साबित हुआ हमने जो डिफरेंस निकाला है specific term का that is 20. Means we are subtracting 20. And this is the rule. Now to get the next terms, I can see that the last term is 620. 620 minus 20 is 600. So I will write 600 right here. Now after subtracting 20 from 600, I get that the answer is, you can see the answer over here. The answer is 580. So I will write 580 right over here, which is the missing number from this given sequence. Let's find the missing number in the given pattern. The pattern is this one. In this pattern, you can see that the first three terms are missing. Then I have a number 181, 186, 191, and then after you can see that two terms are missing. To find this one, first I will check the sequence and observe it. From this sequence, I can see that 181 and then the next number is increasing, means the next number is greater than the first number, means this term is increasing. This means that we are going to add some specific term. To find out this specific term, I need to subtract, or in other words, I can find out the difference between the first two given terms, consecutive terms. The first two consecutive terms are 181 and 186. By subtracting these terms, I got the answer 5. Means in this sequence, if I am going to add 5 in the next term, I will get the next term. Now, you can see that 191 is the last number which is written over here. To find out the next missing number after 191, I will add 5 in 191. By adding 5 in 191, I get the number 196, which you can see and write over here. Now, by adding number 5, again, I will get the next term, which is 201. So, I will write this number here. So, the next and last number of this pattern is 201 by adding 5 in the previous term. Now, my dear students, to find out the first three missing numbers, I need to subtract 5 from the last number which is written over here, that is 181. So, I will subtract 5 from this number to get the previous number, right? To get the previous number, we are going to subtract from 181 and which number? 5. 181 minus 5 is 176. I will write 176 here right before the number 181. Now I am going to write down the number which is missing before this number. So by subtraction again I will get the next number 171. So I will write this number here. Now by subtracting 5 again from this number which I get right now, which is 171, I will get the previous term which is 166. So I will write down this answer right over here. Now according to this pattern is increasing but to a specific number which is 5. So you can say the rule of this pattern is adding 5. Students, hope this concept is clear to you now and you are going to practice it as well. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.